Does under your desk look like a nightmare? A tangled rat's nest of power strips, HDMI cables and USB wires? That mess doesn't just look bad, it collects dust and can even ruin your PC's airflow. But what if I told you that you can get a professionally clean setup in about an hour using 3 simple tools? As your savvy tech advisor, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, the most important rule: get everything off the floor. The floor is where dust and feet live. The secret weapon here is an underdesk cable raceway or tray. This is a simple metal or plastic basket that you screw into the underside of your desk. Your power strip and all your extra cable length will live inside this tray, hidden and off the ground. Second, bundle your main cables. You'll have a group of cables running from your PC to your monitor and peripherals. Instead of letting them look like spaghetti, use a cable sleeve or zip tube. This is a simple fabric or plastic sleeve that you wrap around the entire bundle, combining them all into one thick, clean-looking cable. It makes a massive visual difference. Third, manage the individual cables you can still see. For this, you need Velcro cable straps. Forget about those tiny, single-use plastic zip ties. Velcro straps are reusable, adjustable, and perfect for strapping your monitor cable to the monitor arm or tidying the small loops of wire behind your PC. So, to recap: 1. Get everything off the floor with an underdesk tray. 2. Bundle your main cables into a single sleeve. And 3. Use Velcro straps to manage the small details. It's that simple. To get that clean setup, I've linked my favourite cable management tools, like the exact tray and sleeves I use, down in the description below. For more practical guides from the Logic Lair, make sure you subscribe.